Hey guys, welcome to yet another video, and in this one we are going to talk about the update. I came out and made a video calling up traders that I bit struggling, not necessarily struggling, but those that want to be under my mentorship, those that want me to mentor them. So yeah, I remember I made that video about those that wanted to be mentored, and this is an update. I've come out to make an update about that video. Anyway, what's up guys, welcome to yet another video. I'm excited. Some of the reasons as to why I'm excited is God has been good to us, not only to me but to even people out there watching the video. God has been so good to us, and yeah, so the update is here. We asked 25 people to apply for mentorship, in trading, mainly prop firm accounts, because I've been lucky to be paid out by a bunch of prop firms. Only two, let me not say a bunch, but only two prop firms have been good enough to pay me out, and I believe after that I can be able to get payouts if I stick to my trading plan, if I know what I'm doing, if I don't get emotional, and I feel like I can make prop firm trading into something sustainable. That is what I think. So after believing that, I knew that maybe I could teach people how to do what I did, how to get those two payouts. God willing, there will be more coming our way. That is if everything is good. So I want to start off this video with a quote from the Bible, a Bible verse, not a quote, a Bible verse, and it is from Luke 12:48, and this verse says, "From everyone who has been given much, much will be demanded, and from the one who has been entrusted with much, much more will be asked." So if you have a talent, if you have something you can really do, that means more is going to be asked from you, right? If you're good at football, if you're good at speaking to people, if you're good at making friends, we people have different talents. You and me have very different talents, and God has given us these talents to help people. I think so. At least that is what my mind tells me. God gives us these talents to help others achieve, a life of meaning, do something significant in the society you're in. Therefore, I put it upon myself to get 25 traders and lead them to a payout, at least from a prop firm, which will then teach them how to get more payouts from prop firms. Trading is real, guys. Trading is so real, and if you keep your head down, keep trading, learn the markets, you can get things out of the markets. Therefore, I read this quote because I believe I've been given an opportunity, some kind of a blessing. I've put in the work, but of course, if God hadn't accepted, I wouldn't have got the payouts. So I believe I have a task to help, these 25 people, to lead them to payouts. We are going to go slow. I don't want to rush. I asked them to apply like a week back, and they have brought in the applications. Right now we are currently at around 12 people, maybe 10, something like that. But we have people from, we have people from South Africa. I welcome you guys from South Africa. We have from Nigeria. We have people from Kenya. We have people from Uganda, Rwanda, and the United Kingdom. So these are the people, these are the countries that I have among the 25. We are not yet 25. So I've also made this video for the last call for you guys. In case you want to be among the 25, this is your last opportunity, the first batch of the 25. We are going to begin immediately next I think we have started now. I'm exchanging emails with the students, and we are going to go a bit slow. We are going to have fun, and we are going to get payouts. Remember, when you join this, it's not only about trading. What we become like a group, a community, because we are going to help each other out. And I'm really excited. I don't know if I'm showing enough joy, but I'm excited to try and at least replicate what I did to get these payouts with 25 people. And then those people will definitely find a way to pay us back. In my saying, we have a saying, you are the one who knows what you will do for me. So for me, I believe this is sort of a calling for me to at least try and help people do what I did in the last 2 months, right? That is my target for this event, and that is why I'm still calling upon you guys to apply. It is through email. There is no other way you can apply. If you've sent me an email, I'm going to put you among the 25, and then we shall mentor those slowly. Maybe after those will also mentor others, because that is the goal. You know, the wings of Sancta Academy are going to spread wide, far and wide. That is what they say. But I'm really excited. I'm happy that people have applied. Even if I had got only one person, I was going to put all my energy on that very person. But I'm very excited. We shall be making, a few videos. Of course, the Telegram group is doing really amazing. It has never been better, and now I even have more time on my hands. We are going to be talking. But I'll put again the email here where you can send in your applications, and we shall talk. I'm going to spare time to make it a point to talk one-on-one with the students, and I really hope and pray that they'll get to profitability, because it is the ultimate goal. The ultimate goal is being profitable so that you can get freedom for your talents, because that is my mentality. You can get freedom to do whatever you want. Like, talent means maybe some of you want to be teachers, you want to teach others something, you want to be musicians, you want to be YouTubers, you want to be anything you want to be in this world, doctors. Some of you want to pursue careers, law, medicine, you want to pursue accounting. That is what I want to do. So I believe trading can be a channel where a person can achieve independence, can achieve freedom of movement, freedom of finances, freedom of knowledge. You can even get your profits and go into education and study, upgrade. I also want to do that in the future. So, but yeah, we are back. That is what I wanted to say, and we are back even stronger. We are going to trade this time round. We are going to trade prop firms. We are going to trade personal accounts, with our own brokers. We are going to do whatever we can in our hands to make sure this is a successful year. It is the last part of the year. We are in August at the moment, and I believe this year is going to be successful. We've seen the works of God's hands, We've seen God blessing us through different channels. So yeah, but that is the update I wanted to make. The school, that it is a school actually, it is going to be called Sancta Academy. I already have social media handles. You guys can go and follow them, but we are going to try and teach people how to trade. If they can replicate the things I did 2 months back, me too. I'm also speaking to myself because I'm a student. But if we can replicate the things I did 2 months back for these payouts, I believe we can be able to achieve greater things with 25 people. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have not yet applied, make sure you apply, and I'll see you in the school. Another thing I would like to talk about is those of you that have not yet subscribed to the channel. What are you doing, man? I don't know what you're doing. Like, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that you know when we have posted. My trading update is I don't know, man. I'm trading. I have different accounts, prop farms. Some are in the challenge phase and others are in the funded phase, and very soon we shall get another payout, God willing, and we shall see. Currently I have FTMO, I have funded next, and I have a God funded account, but I'm actually struggling with God. I don't know if it is accepted here or in the country that I'm in. I don't know, but we shall see. Anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section how you are, how everything is. Man, I've missed you a lot. I hope you guys are trading wisely, because it is here. I hope you guys are trading wisely. As you can see right here, I'm looking at my chart. I'm looking at my chart really well. I draw my trend lines, I do everything, but today has been okay. My account, I'm in phase 2 of a certain account, but it has been really stressing me out. Phase 2 is not easy. I have to, but we shall do that. With time, it will happen, and I just want to thank you for keeping it locked on this channel. I want to thank you for being here with us and enjoying. More videos are going to continue coming out daily. I'm going to pump out videos as long as you watch them, as long as you suggest in the comment section what we should talk about next, what we should review. It's going to be so good, man. This month is going to be great. Next month is even going to be better, and it's going to be packed. And all this, I respect you for watching. Thank you, and peace out. Bye.